So, welcome. We are here at the Love Health Market Homestead with my newest purchase, our Greenstalk container planter. I actually purchased two of them. I got a 7-tier and a 5-tier, but I just mixed them because the pots are interchangeable. So now we have two 6-tier Greenstalk containers. Today I'm going to be taking our Baker's Creek seeds and sowing these in these pods. I also purchased the wheels for them so that I could spin this around. You would hate to be trying to turn this huge pot with all this soil in it. We're starting from seed today. You guys are gonna see me sow everything, and I'll keep you updated. I'll keep you updated on how things grow out of here. But let me show you why it's so cool. So you take the top part and just water the top to wherever line of tiers that you have. It usually has the number. Well, either way, you fill this up and it waters all of the different tiers from the top to the bottom. And if you look at it now, it's actually still moist, which is awesome, because in zone 9B, it gets really hot, and drought is always something that I'm thinking about when it comes to my plants. They have to be drought tolerant, so if they're in ground. So this makes it a lot easier to do consistent watering. And thanks to Trey, our wonderful cameraman, I just remembered that this thing is also wicked amazing, because things that don't need as much light you can put on one side of it and grow, while things that do need more light you can put on another side, and like just heavy feed that with sunlight if you don't want to like give that light at all. Or if there's things that all need a lot of light, you could just rotate it so easily. So some things can get full sun, some things can get part shade. It's a really cool little doohickey to have in the garden, so I'm really excited about testing this out. I already got all of my plant tags made, so it'll be really easy to just go through and stick these in and put the seeds in as I go. I actually went a little OCD and created a plant chart for where exactly I'm gonna put each plant. There's 36 pods because there's 6 tiers and there's 6 pods on each tier. So I just put where each seed I'm going to be sticking is and how many of each seed I will have, so I know pretty much how much food we'll be able to have this next season, and I'm super excited about that too. So here we go. Alright, so I've been sowing so far my seeds. Right now I'm on the callaloo, and I've been sowing that one here. So that's where the callaloo is.
Up to line number 1.
Yeah, just because I've heard people have filled it up and overwatered it, because it comes running out of that bottom tray, and apparently it can like flood entire areas if it's already too much water in there. Alright, so we have both of the green stalks completely watered. Still gotta fix this drip issue, but you can see it's still dripping out from each level. Adequately watering all the way to the bottom. I don't think it's gotten this low yet, but it's still super efficient. Oh, and it's still seeping out. I don't know if you can see there's still water in there, so this is great. I'm really excited. I got some cucumber transplants that I put in, some Mizuna, Thai chili, different things grown from seed. I have a lavender transplant and that cabbage. Those were store-bought. I have had no success with lavender ever, so we're gonna see. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm really excited. Thanks for tuning into our video, and we'll catch you next week. So I'm here with a 2-week update on my Greenstalk planter. This one doesn't have as much growth as the one that I'm gonna show you, the other one that I planted, but I realized that it didn't have enough light in the spot that I originally had it, that you guys saw in my front yard. It has a lot more light back here. I'm actually about to water these, but yeah, you can see the cucumbers are doing amazing. So are these beans. The eggplant is sprouting, so I know it's definitely warm enough back here. The lavender's doing good. I tried to thin out my bean and I guess it damaged the root growth on this one, but yeah, so far the Greenstalk is a success, and I will keep you guys updated. Literally every single thing in this Greenstalk sprouted, so I'm really excited about that. But yeah.